This year's InfoComm 2019, we're looking to mix it up a little bit and reinforce our commitment to the pro audio industry. And so what I'd like to do is give you a sneak peek before the show begins on what we're up to. So follow me. Here we are at the Bose Professional Demonstration Theater. So what we're looking to do is do something different and try to get away from the boring product presentations that we typically all sit through at InfoComm and other shows like this. So it's much more experiential. The demo room, with products located around the room and these video screens, become the canvas from which we immerse our audiences in the sounds of these different spaces. It really is less about individual products and more about total experiences that we all want to deliver, because better sound does matter in these spaces. So if you're out here at InfoComm, stop by the Bose Professional Demonstration Theater. It's at W231BC. You can get the demonstration schedule texted to your phone automatically if you text Bose Pro, that word, to 55222. Stop by our booth, number 6169. Thank you, and hope to see you out here at the show.